Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We got our 2nd Gen Escort GT here, and what's she doing? Well, we actually sold it. I wish I could just rip that tint off, but it's going to take so long. But she won't start, and I don't know if you noticed the tachometer needle's all jacked up. So, what ended up being the problem, right? Definitely did not have spark. And is it the ignition coil? No. It was the ignition control module. This little doohickey. And this is one reason why I'm just not a fan of older gasoline cars unless you got a classic distributor. Because just, look at that. I got white splooge on me first thing. God dang it. This she looks good though.